In my previous video, I was trying to explain the recursion principle, and in this video I'll try to explain the same thing but based on another example, quite similar but with some differences. In my videos I'm not going to use any types of variables or lets, and also not types of loops like for, while, and do while, etc. Don't ask me why, because I don't know yet, and I was just made to do that. In this function, factorial, I'm using exactly the same logic as in the previous videos. In this function factorial, I'm using the same logic as in the previous function sum from the previous video. The main difference is in the whole definition of factorial in mathematics. A factorial of a number is defined as the multiplication of all the numbers starting from 1 to the given number inclusive. And so, for my function, I've defined the num, which is the stop value and the value of the factorial that will be returned. And here in the return part, I've multiplied the given num by the factorial function with the argument of num minus 1. This will multiply the num by the all numbers decreasing gradually. This is like when I put the output of the machine into itself again and again. And this part is my stop point. And it is different from the sum because here I have 1 and there I had 0. It is because I have said that we are starting from 1 when multiplying the numbers, and if we multiply by 0, everything we get is equal to 0. This is almost all, but there are two more conditions here that I have mentioned. These are only because of the mathematical definition of factorial. The first condition says that if the number is smaller than 0, the function has to return undefined. This is because factorial is not defined for numbers smaller than 0. And this condition holds for number to equal to 0. And as in mathematical thinking, the factorial of 0 is defined as 1, and we are returning 1 for that. And now in my Chrome, I will execute the function with the console. And here I type factorial for 5, for instance, and I get 120, the exact value that I had to get as a return if I multiplied 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.